How to create and use Facebook avatars. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step guide on how to create your first avatar here on Facebook. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record tutorial on how to create your avatar here on Facebook and create stickers of avatars to share in your Facebook friends in a direct message or use it in your stories. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Getting to know how to make your avatar here on Facebook is one way to transform yourself online. Once na makagawa ka ng Facebook avatar, pwede ka nang mag-express ng emotions without using words. Dahil gagamitin mo yung avatar mo para ipakita kung anong reaction mo. Now, I'm going to show you the screen record tutorial on how to create your first avatar here on Facebook. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to create your avatar here on Facebook. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button. And subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.